Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a static side video editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and to create a static side video editing on Capcut, we're going to use Capcut templates. So I'm going to go to the templates menu on Capcut, and then here we can search for a static video like this. Aesthetic. Oops, I got typo guys. I need to fix it. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates for you, and you just need to select the template that you like. And for instance, I'm going to select this one. Okay, we're going to replace videos or photos in this template with our own items. I'm going to click on use template, and I'm going to select a video from my gallery. I'm just going to pick random video from here. Okay, just like that. We need to select 10 items. Okay, one more item. Okay, this one, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and hold on guys. Alright, and I'm going to change the music. If we want to change the music, we can go to the audio, and then Capcut will provide us other musics for our video. And I'm just going to select this one. You'll be able to change the text as well. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay, but I think I need to choose sad music. I'm going to select, maybe I'm just going to use the original audio. Okay. And then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export. And then I recommend you to choose export without watermark. So the CapCut watermark will be removed from your video. And after the video has been exported, you will be able to share the video to your Instagram or TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a static side video editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!